Alright, today we're gonna make a little quick video about basically getting some seat covers from the seat shop and having them installed, and if I'm happy or what. But just a real quick video, so let's go. I must have locked it when I was wiping some of this stuff down. But anyways, I'll probably try to throw up a before and after. On it, and as you can see, I mean, they just look so much better. And I did coat them with the Adams leather coating. And you know, I mean, I'm glad I did it for sure, but when I did it, I noticed that I did leave, I've never done any kind of ceramic coating, but I did leave some, like, I guess I would call it high spots a little bit. And I was using that little light, and you know, and the thing is with that light, suggestion is you have to look at it from different angles, because the angles I was looking at it, it just wasn't it didn't look like I had good coverage. But then, you know, so I reapplied some. Then when I looked at a different angle, it did have good coverage. So that's why I kind of have some high spots. But you can see the new seat belt. But these seats covers from the seat shop, I mean, they're perfect. This is leather, and then of course the vinyl on the side. I replaced this piece here. But I mean, you can see the match. This is the old, and this is the new. I mean, it's like you can't even tell. I mean, even on camera, I mean, it just looks perfect. But let's walk around to the back side, or to the passenger side. And this one probably looks even better because the foam is not nearly as didn't really have to be rebuilt or nothing. So this foam is like, you know, it's like factory pretty much. But I mean, I'm really happy with these for the money I spent, and having these redone. I mean, it just makes the vehicle look so much better. So and the color's perfect, and so I really couldn't be happier. But anyway, so if you're looking for some seat covers for like a 03 to 06, I'm thinking, check out the seat shop. They make good quality stuff. And if you do end up maybe buying some ceramic coating and stuff, just be careful. Try not to get no high spots like I did. You can kind of see a little bit right here, but I figured as people sit in them, they're just going to it'll kind of wear off. But so I'm not really too worried about it. It's 1,000 times better than what it was before. So, and you can't even really tell unless I point it out. So anyways, quick video about replacing your leather. And 03 to 06 Tahoe, Silverado, Yukon, Suburban, they're all basically the same. But check out the seat shop. Peace.